Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of automotive diagnostics with the INNOVA 6200P. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic, this tool promises to make your life a whole lot easier. Let's take a closer look. First up, let's see what's in the box. We have the INNOVA 6200P itself, a user manual, and a few essential accessories, including a USB cable for updates. The packaging is pretty straightforward, which is nice. No frills, just what you need. All right, let's get into the features. The INNOVA 6200P offers a wide range of diagnostic functions, including OBD2 code, read and clear check engine codes easily, live data streaming, monitor real-time data for various sensors, ABS and SRS diagnostic, troubleshoot issues with anti-lock brakes and airbag systems, IM readiness. Status, check if your vehicle is ready for emissions testing. Graphing capability, visualize data trends over time, which is super helpful for spotting issues. Now let's put this baby to the test. I've got my car here, and we're going to check for any trouble codes. Connects the device to the OBD2 port. It connects quickly, and within seconds, we have the vehicle info and can start scanning for codes. And cut to screen showing codes being read. Here we go! The 6200P is pulling up any codes present. Host shows how to clear codes, and if we need to clear a code, it's just a click away. Sure. Here's an even deeper dive into the INNOVA 6200P, including its components, practical applications, and tips for using it effectively. Detailed features. 1. User interface. The INNOVA 6200P often features a large, backlit LCD screen that enhances visibility in various lighting conditions. The intuitive layout makes navigating menus and accessing functions quick and straightforward. 2. Connectivity. Typically equipped with a standard OBD2 connector, the scanner plugs directly into the vehicle's diagnostic port. Many models also support USB connectivity for updates and data transfer to a PC. 3. Battery life. Designed for durability, the device usually has a rechargeable battery that allows for use without needing to be plugged into the vehicle constantly. This is especially handy for extended diagnostics. 4. Code definitions. The scanner often includes a built-in database that provides descriptions for diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, helping users understand the issues without needing to look them up online. 5. System functions. Depending on the specific model, the 6200P may offer various system functions like ABS, anti-lock braking system, and airbag diagnostics, which are crucial for a comprehensive vehicle check. The INNOVA 6200P is a powerful and user-friendly diagnostic tool, suited for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Its combination of features, ease of use, and affordability makes it a popular choice for anyone looking to enhance their automotive diagnostic capabilities. Whether you're troubleshooting a specific issue or performing regular maintenance, the 6200P can be an invaluable asset. If you have more specific questions or need information on certain functionalities, feel free to ask.